Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. It's been a while we didn't have make any videos for my vlog. So ngayon po, what I'm going to do is to review what I received from Banggood, which I ordered. This is a spare part from my old laptop. Yes, this is a charging port flex cable for Apple Macbook Pro 13 A1278. So I ordered this. Let's see the tracking info. I ordered this last June 24, and then I received it last July 2. But sad to say, what happened is when I opened the unit, upon I received it, there's something wrong on it. So this is the actual package. As usual, I clean this first because you know the virus is spreading. Came from China. Then inside with this little plastic, and the unit is inside. So this is made in China. So as you can see guys, I zoom this one. So in this part you can see that there is a dent or a broken pin. So this part is broken. Normally this is flush along with these 4 pins, total 5 pins. So this is the issue. So hopefully Banggood will see this as part of their request to upload this video to YouTube, so that further complaint, take action from Banggood side. So I have to upload this video as per their recommendation. So I took this small clip to show you the exact unit. So as you can see, there's a dent. No, not a dent, but a broken pin. I don't know if they ship this to me like this or from package damage, or while inside the package during delivery. I don't know how it happened, but hopefully this is the downside part if you ordered from unknown store or unknown online seller in some online selling website. Hopefully this will be awareness for everybody who wants to order online. They should double check the seller before they purchase. Thank you for watching guys, and hope to see you again in another vlog. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.